Okay, problem number 2, providing triangle parts congruent to measure distance. Now again, because I'm not much of an artist, I don't have the picture on here. However, here's kind of what it looks like from the book. You have a ship out here at point S, and this tree or landmark, and we have this tower that represents segment TR. So we're going to try to prove that the distance from the ship to the tower is the same as from the tower to the landmark or the tree. And let's start off with our given. So we're going to say that angle RTS is congruent to angle RTL. You can see that by the two congruent markings there. And that is also this piece of the given information. We're going to use this one later. Next, we're going to say that segment TR is congruent to segment TR because of the reflexive property of congruence. And now let's bring in our second piece of given information up here, and we're going to say that angle TRS and angle TRL are both right angles because it is given right here. And using that piece of information, we're going to say that angle TRS and TRL are congruent because all right angles are congruent. We learned that in chapter 2. Now we can say that triangle TRS is congruent to triangle TRL because of the angle side angle postulate. We have these two angles congruent and these two angles congruent and a common included side between each set of angles. And finally, we can say that segment RS is congruent to segment RL because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, which means that now we know that the distance between our ship and the tower is the same as the distance between our landmark or our tree and the tower. So here you go again. Here's a chance for you to write it all down, and make sure you get it in your notes.